Hello everyone, and welcome to the Economic Explorer channel where we discuss everything related to finance and investment. Today, we're going to dive into one of the most talked about topics in the world of finance, the stock market. The stock market is a place where people can buy and sell stocks, which are essentially small ownership pieces of publicly traded companies. It's a crucial part of the global economy, and it's where millions of people around the world invest their money in order to build wealth over time. How the stock market works. The stock market is a collection of exchanges where stocks are bought and sold. When a company wants to raise money, it can issue stocks and sell them to the public. The stock market then acts as a platform where people can buy and sell these stocks. When you buy a stock, you essentially become a part owner of that company. The value of the stock you own will go up or down based on the financial performance of the company. If the company is successful, its stock price will likely rise, and if the company is not doing well, its stock price will likely fall. Types of stocks. There are two main types of stocks, common stock and preferred stock. Common stock is the most common type of stock, and it gives its owners the right to vote on important company decisions, as well as the potential to receive dividends. Preferred stock, on the other hand, doesn't come with voting rights, but it usually pays a higher dividend than common stock. How to invest in the stock market. Investing in the stock market can be a great way to grow your wealth over time, but it's also important to remember that it comes with risks. Before investing, it's important to do your research and understand the companies you're investing in. One of the easiest ways to invest in the stock market is through a brokerage account. You can open an account with an online broker and use their platform to buy and sell stocks. It's important to diversify your portfolio by investing in a mix of different stocks, rather than putting all your money into one stock. This can help to reduce your risk. Risks and rewards of investing in the stock market. Investing in the stock market can be a great way to build wealth over time, but it's also important to remember that it comes with risks. The stock market can be volatile, and stock prices can fluctuate wildly in short periods of time. It's important to have a long-term investment strategy and not to panic during times of market volatility. If you're willing to take on some risk, the stock market can be a great way to grow your wealth over time. So there you have it, folks. A detailed overview of what the stock market is and how it works. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, it's important to understand the stock market and the risks and rewards. Thank you very much for watching the video, and if you want more videos of this style, leave your like and subscribe. Until next time.